What's up, Gaster Nation? We're out here, got the truck loaded. You can see behind me, got some swap meet stuff, trying to sell a few things and make some money for some more parts for Aces High. Got the golf cart loaded up. We're ready to head to Gulfport. A little over an hour drive for me. Like I said, this is my local track, so pretty stoked about getting down there and watching some Gasters run. So it's going to be a good time. Guys, we're out here at the Gulfport Vintage Drag Championships. Huge turnout today. Really nice day. Lots of cars. It is super hot, so really it's impressive that despite all the heat, how many cars have come out here. So we'll walk around and try to get some more. I'm trying to spend as much time on the wall as I can, but gosh, it's hot. Got old Bullet there. Swap meet, some hot rods.
good.
Gorgeous Corvette 57. Walk around and check out a few of the hot rods. Starting to wind down, getting into the later rounds of eliminations. Everybody's starting to chill. Mr. Jimmy Roberts.
Hey!
How was your day?
Red Bull, man, Red Bull.
It happens.
As a matter of fact, let's see, 1-0 Red Bull first round, 1-4 Red Bull second round. First round of elimination, 000-5 Red Bull.
You're just a little bit too good, ain't you?
If anybody else can give me a 000 on the red, by golly, I'll call him the winner.
Yeah,
Otherwise, I'm the man today.
Yeah.
Woo!
Ric Flair style. That's
Yes,
good,
sir.
huh?
Yes, sir. You gonna
Sean,
beat
how
the
was
man,
your day?
You gotta beat the man.
We ran good. We
Yeah.
ran good.
Yeah.
It was good until I red left.
Yeah.
Against Bond.
Oh yeah, it happens. It happens.
yeah.
It's that heat, man. You get everybody getting wired
That's
up.
right.
They just ready to go,
That's right.
ready to get out of the car.
Sure.
Yep.
We're gonna ease around and see what we
Fudge.
see.
Hey, how
Mr.
you
RD,
doing?
what's up, brother?
RD's a little hot today.
Yeah, same here, man.
My damn
Same
phone
here.
kept getting hot on me. I didn't get too much pictures enough, you know.
You talking about pretty boy
And-
Ronnie's always
yeah,
hot.
yeah, you know. Pretty boy Ronnie, yeah.
We got Johnny Reb out here, and Rodney Potter's just a little squirrely. Got a few gassers headed back up to the lanes. Mr. Joe Bush's Silver Bullet Willis, and then regular Bullet Plymouth. Well, how'd it feel, man?
Just like I said, no
Unbelievable.
respect.
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable. It would have been, tell you what, it was fantastic, even though it didn't go perfect. But
Hey,
hey,
it
I know
looked
what
good.
to look for. Now I can go practice.
Well, you went
Yeah.
down the track.
Yeah,
Yeah.
didn't
What
hurt
you wanted
nothing.
to do.
Didn't hurt nothing, didn't get
That's
hurt.
good.
Yeah,
That's good.
Back here in one piece, and so are you. That's
I'm
what's
ready.
important.
I'm ready. Go.
I know you are.
What is up, guys? We're out here at the Gulf Coast Vintage Drag Championships at Gulfport Dragway today, and man, it's been hot today. As soon as I get out on the track, my camera wants to try to overheat and stuff like that. I got a bit of footage, but been busy with the booth. A lot of people like super positive and good turnout, man. Try to walk around, look at some cars, and get what we didn't get out on the track and everything. But yeah, it's been a really good time. Getting ready to start packing up now, but really great turnout for a first inaugural event, and looking forward to the next time. So we'll be moving along to the next one soon.